Okay, it's just a camera. It's alright, you can watch it later.
Can you face it on me?
Yes, I've got it on you.
No, I don't see a picture. I'm little pointed, tall and straight. Here are my branches for you to decorate. First we put the shiny star on top. That's pretty cute. Is it doing it?
What? It was tomorrow.
Christmas.
Why is it Christmas?
Celebrate Jesus' birth. Eyes on the camera. So baby Jesus was in the alligator's mouth. So the alligator ate the baby Jesus up.
What? The
You know
alligator ate the baby Jesus?
Yes!
What?
That's the part of the song.
Why would the alligator eat the baby Jesus?
Because
Jesus rose. Up from the
because
alligator
likes
he
to eat
rose.
Jesus. And Mary looked for the baby Jesus night and day. She didn't know it was in the alligator's mouth, all gone. Then Jonah came and looked. Don't laugh.
I'm listening
Get
to
off on stage! So then Adam came and drank the bug's blood. Then he got sick. This is part of the song, okay? It's not funny, it's serious. I'm being serious, okay?
You're being serious.
Yes.
Well, what if you were being funny? Could I laugh then?
No. Then the angel came, and then
Do angels have wings?
yes, and then they're gonna fly to the shark, and then the shark eats the angel.
What?
It really does. It's part of the song. I'm getting to that part. Then the alligator spit out the baby Jesus, and he was still alive. So Mary went in the water, and she got the baby Jesus. He decorated a beautiful tree, and now it's over.
Yay!
Oh, I forgot a part. There's one more part. I forgot. Then the sun came up. I forgot a word. I forgot.
That was the whole part?
Yeah, that's the whole part.
The sun came up?